Hi guys, welcome back to Techie Gyan. I'm pretty sure every data analyst might encounter data formatting issues, and it's pretty frustrating if Excel can't recognize your date. Dates interpreted by dots are not recognized by Excel. If you try to convert its current format into an inbuilt standard Excel format, it will not change. So if I try, I have a set of data here. I have listed out some dates. So if you try, and it is the date, the month, and years are separated by dots. So if you try to convert this date into standard Excel inbuilt formats, like any of those which is listed now, I'll try one. Okay, see, you can see it's not changing into that standard format. So I can try another one. Or I can take a bunch of dates and try date. I can even try yes. Here you can see the dates format is not getting changed. From what you can understand is that Excel can't recognize the current date format. So what you have to do is select the dates. Basically, I forgot to tell the main point of it. Basically, you know what happens if you cannot, if Excel can't recognize your dates, this will restrict you from filtering the dates. Like you cannot specify, you cannot specifically take a date in a particular year and a particular month, because all the dates will be listed separately, as you can see here. So in order to fix this issue, all you need to do is select the list of dates, go to the options data. Here you can see an option called text to columns. Click on that. No need to change any of these settings, just go forward. Same as here, just go forward. Here you select the date format which you want, like first number interprets the date, the second interprets the month, and the third interprets the year. Once you click that and click on the finish, you can see that the formatting has been changed. Now if I right click all these dates into one standard format, okay, I'll take this one. You can see that all the dates has been changed. Now if I try to filter these dates now, you can see it's been already grouped. You can see in 2019 it has grouped for 3 months, like January, February and March. If you want to see what are the dates coming in January, you can just open the small triangle. You can see the dates here as well. So this will help you when you are analyzing a large amount of data, because individually listing of the dates will not help you out there. So hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.